Louisiana Beer Reviews, Earthquake High Gravity Lager, 12% alcohol. This is a product of the Phusion Projects company, founded in 2005, makers of the Four Loko flavored malt drinks. It says La Crosse, Wisconsin and Latrobe, Pennsylvania. Okay, so that's City Brewery, who owns 3 breweries around the United States. So this is made either in La Crosse or Latrobe, Pennsylvania. I had this last year and I gave it an F. It was horrible and I couldn't finish it. It was the worst thing I've ever tried as far as beer. It gets an F on Beer Advocate. It gets a 1 out of 100 on Rate Beer, and it gets a bad rating on the Beer and Me. So it's considered one of the worst, if not the worst, beer product available in the world. Cool looking can though. Well, I dread this, but let's go through with it. Okay, as you can see, the head is super thick and it's overflowing everywhere, and the appearance of the drink itself is yellowish orange, and it's hazy. It's very hazy. You can almost not see through it. So that's unusual. Must not be particularly filtered. I do see a lot of bubbles streaming up this mug. Well, let's give it the smell test. It has a very strong corn husk aroma, like the Dog Bite had. It's super sweet, even fruity, citrusy to some extent. And the head is just the slightest bit, and I mean the slightest bit off-white, but it's mostly white. And the bubbles are pretty fine. It's not a bad looking head. It's not soapy really. It's sort of creamy, but it just has a juice aroma, strong alcohol aroma. It's hard to even describe it. It's not super appealing. Well, let's go with the taste test. You pick up grain. I'm gonna say mostly corn. I guess some barley, yeah. Sweetness, of course. The alcohol is not as prominent as I thought. I thought the Dog Bite had more of a boozy flavor. It does have some citrusy, I don't know about citrusy, I don't know what it is. Some kind of fruit or something, I don't know. I don't know how to describe what it is. It's got an indiscernible vegetable matter taste. It's not bad though. It does have a decent amount of lacing around the mug, however. just strange, that yellow, very yellow, hazy appearance. And it's not the mug. The mug is clear now. All the frost is gone. The body is medium. The finish is dry, mostly, not particularly crisp. It's harsh. It's harsh, but it's not super harsh like I expected. I don't know, it seems like it's better than it was last year. Last year it was just, horrible. And it had more of a golden color from what I remember. More gold, not this, well, it is kind of gold back there when I look at it. Okay, when I look at it this way, with the light shining through it, it is gold with the bubbles streaming up. But with the light coming this way, okay, so yeah, I guess it is a gold. From behind, it's a yellow. But from the front, with the light, it's gold. Okay, well, okay. Maybe the color hasn't changed. That rough grain. That dough. Yeah, it's a bready, biscuity dough. Well, this is a challenge to drink, I'm sure. I am a little shocked though, because I was expecting to have to dump it out and to be just overwhelmed with disgust. But I'm not, and I don't really like these high gravity or high alcohol drinks in general. Usually once it gets above 6 or 7%, I'm a little turned off by it, to tell you the truth. But and this is not something I would typically drink. But well, I don't know. I'm gonna give it a C+. It's not that bad. I'm not gonna go and say it's good. I'm not gonna go to a B- and say it's even in any way good. But it is a little like average plus. It's oddly enough, it does have character. So would I recommend it? I can't recommend this, but I would say that if you want to try something that's much different than beers that you're used to drinking, this is one to try. It's certainly unique and peculiar. I don't know. Kind of like the dog bite. I don't know what to make of it. Maybe these kind of things are growing on me, but I'm not going to become a regular drinker of these high gravity malt liquors, I'm sure. But anyway, I'm going to end this review by saying y'all come on down to Louisiana, and hey, if you want to give it a try and rate it, let me know what you think, because I'm curious.